Alright, this is the last chicken leg or finger or tender. You want it? Mixing in an olive branch here.
No.
You sure?
Yep.
It's the last one. Like this is to make up for all the trouble I gave you putting that dryer back together.
Go on.
You sure? You sure? Alright. Chicken's still good. Gives me a shake. You gonna get this chicken?
It's a 5-piece mixed signature chicken, 2 regular size, and 2 biscuits.
Let's get that chicken. Are you gonna run away as soon as I go in there? Because I have the camera out and ordering. It's alright. It's alright. Oh. I walked into a Benihana camera. I think I can do this. Seriously. Jeez. This is like the dirtiest door in the world.
Oh, it's unlocked.
Huh? It is unlocked. Yes. They're gonna be like, what's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? What are we gonna get? I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get that chicken. I'm gonna get that chicken. Get that chicken. I'm gonna definitely get chicken. I'm gonna get a chicken sandwich for sure. Yeah. I'm gonna get a chicken sandwich without mayonnaise and some chicken strips. What do you get? We're still figuring it out.
No problem, take your time.
I know I'm gonna have a classic chicken sandwich without mayonnaise.
Did you just want it as a sandwich?
You know what? I'll do the combo. Dining in. Yeah. Without mayonnaise. I don't have the fries.
Fries or
Yeah.
size drinks?
Just a regular size medium, I guess. I guess we get that over there. You gotta get some strips, I think. You should get some strips. Like 3 or 5. You probably get the 5. Well, how many you get? Maybe you get 3. There's a lot of math going on to buy chicken, apparently. Did you major in math? You major in math? I don't know how many I'm gonna eat. The chicken sandwich is big.
I guess we're just going. I'm just going to add 3 tenders.
Ooh, big 3, big 3. Stepping up.
All right.
He's pulling out the cards. You got that covered? You got that in?
We'll find out. Remove card.
It didn't go so well last night when we were playing the lottery. Your decline.
You are?
Thank you.
We didn't win the ball.
Yeah.
All right, I will get that ready.
Okay, thanks. No, we lost big last night. 550 losers. We would have had. Dude, you didn't get a drink? Like you didn't get anything to drink? Where's your cup?
Where's your water at?
This is my drink. You're laughing because you didn't ask for a cup.
For water.
Well, asking for a cup for water. Then I'll get your, what do you want, Coke? Always drinks Coke. Whoa. I didn't do that on purpose. Oh, shit. I got your Coke over here. The Coke's right here. Come on, I got a little. I'll get the water. You know what? Once you just get the drinks, and I'll just leave you there. I'm not usually that messy. I didn't do that on purpose. Honestly, I didn't do it on purpose. Oh my god, I'm a little wet. My dad spent like 5 minutes at the drink fountain. Did you finally get the drinks? What happened?
Cleaning your mess up.
We were there the entire time. For like 5 minutes.
Put 2 lids on one thing.
I spilled it, I got all over my hand, it was just a big mess. I just walked away and came and sat down here, eating the food, ready to eat. can I say? Well, why don't you get that's yours.
Mine.
This one's mine. The sandwich is mine. Sandwich is mine. You got fries.
I got fries.
You got fries. Now these are yours. These are yours. All right. Those are your tenders. This is my sandwich, and we're gonna eat food right now. Dude, what are you eating? You're trying to be like Monster Man, chomping down on that big old chicken finger. What you eating? What is that?
Tender.
I know, but what's that sauce?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard. Look at what I made. Look at this. I got like a pickle bun. Pickle bun. This is my new pickle bun sandwich. It's COVID friendly too because you just touch the whole entire. There's a reason why I found Cali Muscle as like the first YouTuber vlogger. It's because you search out things that are similar to you. That's what people are always attracted to, things that are similar to themselves, whether it's outwardly or inwardly.
Did he ever go to Popeyes?
I don't know. This is for you, Cali. Come on, Popeyes, put me on. That's a good chicken sandwich. All right, this is the last chicken leg, or finger, or tender. You want it?
No.
Mix it in an olive branch here.
No.
You sure?
Yep.
It's the last one. Like this is to make up for all the trouble I gave you putting that dryer back together.
Go well done.
You sure? You sure? All right. The chicken's so good. It gives me the shakes. I'll clean it up a little bit since you made a huge mess over at the drink fountain. Spilled all that drink with still all over your cup.
And this is hanging up here. Trying to put two lids on one top.
I got discombobulated. I didn't do a really good job cleaning.
Way too high.
Anyway, another incredible meal. Popeyes. Leveling up. Louisiana Fast is down and done. Where are we going to next?